Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and tonight we will be installing the head cylinder guard for our Multistrada V4S. So the reason why I bought this part is just to add some protection to the cylinder head when we are riding fast in the freeway when you're cruising around. If there's a debris, rock that can hit your bike, at least you know that it will be protected. So this part is a simple bolt-on. There's no need for modification on your bike. This one is a look-alike of Evotech Performance, but it has no brand because I got it from a Chinese website. But they look the same, they serve the same purpose. Right now I have some radiator guard as well from the same company, and it's working really good, no complaints so far. This part comes with 6 rubber spacer right here, 3 Allen bolts, and it also comes with a bracket, of course, and this is your main part. So the difference from Evotech and this one is just the logo. It doesn't have any logo here, but same texture, same finish. So to install this part, you will need 2 tools. Number 3 Allen and 8mm socket. So let's get started. You have to take off this bolt and this one right here, down here. So the far right and middle top, same thing on the left side. Middle top and the far left bolt. So make sure when you install this bracket, start it from the lowest part, because if you start it on the top, it's not gonna fit. We have an audience tonight, VJR, and you're gonna install the head cylinder guard just like that, and then install the bolts that it came with. So you're gonna have 3, one here in the middle, and then one up here. You want to install the middle bolt first, not too tight so you can still wiggle it around. And then make sure they're tight. You can use a Loctite if you want to. And that's how you install the cylinder head cover Multistrada V4S. I would like to give a shout out to Ventura County riders, our Filipino riders there. Thank you guys for the support. Thank you for watching. So that's it for tonight for our install video in our Multistrada. Thank you guys for watching. Ride safe. See you on the next one.